Hello, my dear students, how are you? Again, we are here to study class 9th Science Chapter 1, Part 3 Kingdom Monera, Protista, and Fungi. In the last video, we studied about 5 kingdom classification. This is the explanation of 3 kingdom Monera, Protista, and Fungi. There are 2 more kingdoms, Plantae and Animal, which we will discuss in the next video. अगर आपने पहले 2 वीडियोस नहीं देखे हैं देन आप इसी चैनल में सर्च करके प्लेलिस्ट में भी जाके आप उसे देख सकते हैं. तो फर्स्टली यू गो थ्रू दैट वीडियोस, तब आपको ये वाला वीडियो ज़्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. According to 5 kingdom classification, the first kingdom is Kingdom Monera. The characteristic features are as follows. The first one is Monerans found everywhere. Means the organisms of Monera may be present in water, air, on the surface of any substance. They have prokaryotic type cell. Means it doesn't contain a well-defined nucleus. They are unicellular organism. They may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Autotrophic means they may prepare their food own self, or heterotrophic means they depend for their food on other organisms also. Cell wall is present, but it is different from the plant because plant cell is mainly made up of cellulose, and the cell wall of Monera is mainly made up of peptidoglycan. Means जो ये फर्स्ट किंगडम मोनेरा है ये आपको हर जगह मिलेगा, बट यू कांट सी इट बाय योर नेकेड आइज. दीज ऑल आर माइक्रोस्कोपिक ऑर्गेनिजम्स, बहुत छोटे होते हैं. इनका जो सेल है दैट इज़ ऑफ प्रोकैरियोटिक. सिंगल सेल में इनकी पूरी लाइफ एक्टिविटीज़ कंप्लीट हो जाती है बिकॉज दे आर यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. समटाइम्स दे आर ऑटोट्रॉफिक, मीन्स दे प्रिपेयर देयर फूड ऑन सेल्फ, खुद ही बना लेते हैं, जैसे प्लांट्स बाय फोटोसिंथेसिस बनाते हैं. दे मे ऑल्सो यूज़ कीमोसिंथेसिस, ये कभी कभी कीमोसिंथेसिस के थ्रू भी बनाते हैं. हियर इज़ द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ मोनेरा लाइक बैक्टीरिया, साइनोबैक्टीरिया, बेसिलस. साइनोबैक्टीरिया को आप एनाबिना के नाम से भी जानते हैं. एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर शेप दे आर ऑल्सो क्लासिफाइड इनटू कोकस, बेसिलस, स्पाइरुलम. यू कैन सी हियर कोकस इज स्फेरिकल इन शेप, whereas bacillus is rod shaped, spirulum is a long structure. If coccus is in 2 in number, then it is known as diplococcus. If make it a straight line, then it is streptococcus, and if it form a bunch, then it known as staphylococcus. Similarly, if bacillus is present in 2 in number, then it is known as diplobacilli. और अगर ये एक लॉन्ग सीरीज बनाता है देन इसका नाम चेंज हो जाता है, इट बिकम स्ट्रेप्टोबैसिलाई. द नेक्स्ट किंगडम इज किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा. किंगडम प्रोटिस्टा दे ऑल प्रिफर एक्वेटिक और मॉइस्ट एनवायरनमेंट. मीन्स अगर कहीं एकदम बहुत ज़्यादा ड्राई इन्वायरमेंट है देन देयर इज़ नो पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ प्रेजेंस ऑफ प्रोटिस्टा organisms. They are also unicellular, but they have well defined nucleus, means they are of eukaryotic type cells. These may also be autotrophic or heterotrophic. In the previous slide I explained autotrophs and heterotrophs. All the life processes are carried out within the cell, within a single cell actually, because they are unicellular. The examples are amoeba, paramecium, euglena, plasmodium. You can see in the pictures the paramecium which looks more closer to the animal. Euglena, which contain chlorophyll, that's why it more closer to the plant. Fulgoseptic, which looks like fungi. And volvox are the colonial organism, means they form colonies. They are actually single cell organism, but they are present in colonies. बहुत सारे ये एक जगह पे इकट्ठा हो जाते हैं and they form colony. Volvox. Okay, the next one is kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi have eukaryotic cell. They may be unicellular or multicellular forms. Fungi are always heterotrophic. They never be autotrophic. They always depend on other organisms for their food. Mostly their body is filamentous. This is the important point. They form network of filament that is called mycelium. The mycelium term is only used for the thread-like structure of fungi. Chloroplasts are absent in their cell. The kingdom fungi, they are very good decomposer, the best recyclers around. They decomposes all the organic and biodegradable material. Their cell wall is made up of chitin, not cellulose like in plant. Remember, in the first kingdom, that is Monera, the cell wall was made up of peptidoglycan. In Plantae, it is made up of cellulose, but in fungi, it is made up of chitin. The kingdom fungi is more related to the animal than plants. Rhizopus is also known as bread mold. If you leave the bread, अगर आप बहुत दिन तक ऐसे ही openly environment में bread को छोड़ दें, then you can see there is a fungi growing on the surface of the bread. That is actually Rhizopus. क्योंकि ये bread में बहुत easily grow करता है, that's why it is also known as bread mold. Some fungi cause diseases while some are used in production of certain food material like yeast. Some of them is also used for the preparation of medicines like penicillin. Mushrooms are good source of protein and potassium. So kingdom fungi have their economical importance also. Here you can see the bread mold, Rhizopus, mushroom and other example of kingdom fungi. Rhizopus, penicillium, aspergillus, yeast, mushroom. Even some skin problems are also caused by fungi. You can see here. The next topic is symbiosis. Symbiosis, an evolved interaction or close living relationship between two organisms of different species, usually with benefits one or both of the individual involved. You have to understand that, like, if you form a big house, suppose you construct a big house, और आप क्या करते हैं, रेंट पे किसी को इसको दे देते हैं. So from the rent you got money and the other person is getting shelter. उसको रहने के लिए जगह मिली, आपको मनी मिल रहा है. That is a type of a kind of relationship. So here also symbiosis is a relationship between two organisms. These two organisms are totally different. They belong to the different species. But वो इतने ज़्यादा क्लोजली एक दूसरे से अटैच रहते हैं और एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं that you cannot differentiate them. They looks like a singular species. वो ऐसे दिखाई देते हैं जैसे वो एक ही हैं. And usually one of them or both of them get benefit. कभी कभी दोनों को मिलता है and sometimes the single individual get the benefit. Lichen is the example of symbiotic relationship of algae and fungi. Here, algae and fungi are symbiotically live together and they remain so closely associated that appear as a single organism. ऐसे दिखते हैं जैसे ये एक single organism है, but actually they are made up of algae and fungi. Fungi use the food produced by algae. Point to be noted here, fungi use the food produced by algae. Algae is capable to form food by photosynthesis process, whereas fungi absorb moisture and minerals which is used by algae. So this is a kind of symbiosis. Litmus is a product from a type of lichen. Here you can see the pictures of lichen. There are various types of lichen. ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ही lichen होता है. Lichen is not a single species. ये भी कई टाइप के होते हैं. So today's class is over here, and there are some questions which are very important. You have to write down in your fair science copy. The first question is, write 2 examples of Monera. Why Amebia and Paramecium belong to the kingdom Protista, means you have to mention their characteristics, that why they are kept in kingdom Protista. What do you mean by mycelium? Or you can define mycelium. Write short note on write economical importance of fungi. So today's class is over here, and in the next class we will discuss about the kingdom Plantae and Animalia. So wait for the next video, because in the next video the chapter will be finished. So keep watching.